Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Where am I dragging you today? Well, you know it involves Maine real estate. It's a low-cost home for sale in Sherman, Maine. This low-cost home is at 16 School Street in Sherman, Maine, which is just about as far south in Aroostook County as you can go. It's low-cost enough that you can consider it your camp up in Maine to use for vacation use or to rent out when you're not using it. Stay tuned. We're going out Route 2, something a little different rather than the interstate. Sometimes you like to take these side roads because you see deer, you might see Christmas decorations. It's just not quite as monotonous as the interstate. Interstate 95 has zero traffic, always well maintained, and you can get from A to B very quickly. But sometimes your side roads are worth checking out. You might even get a glimpse of Mount Katahdin or a white-tailed deer. Sometimes the reason we take the side roads is we have other tasks to do. Northern Maine is quite a distance to cover. It's the size of Connecticut and Rhode Island. So we just sold a 15-acre building lot. Then we've got another one up here that just went under contract that's a little over 4 acres. So we put sale pending, sold signs, check with the town offices along the way, so it's never just a special trip to, say, Sherman, Maine to show you a house. We'd be running the roads more than actually showing any properties if we didn't do it this way. This is Sherman. If you want to go about 10 miles west of here, you'll hit Patton, which is pretty interesting with Shin Pond and near the north entrance of Baxter State Park. So when you buy a property in Maine, it's not just the low-cost house for sale that you're getting. You're in Maine, which is another name for vacation land. So definitely lots of fun things to do. We're going to be going through the little village of Sherman. We'll give you that little 10-cent tour. And this property is in the village of Sherman. 16 School Street, Sherman, Maine. This is your street scene. Pretty quiet. This goes to the town office, playground. Here's your drilled well. Looks like a little brook on that side of the lawn. You've got a concrete septic. Bill Hersey did the soil test back in about '87. There is the drilled well. See the metal roof, vinyl siding? This was a newer addition with cement floor. Then you have an opening to the original foundation. You need to put a furnace in. It had a hot air system. See the chimney? Low-cost home for sale in Maine. This is one of those with a quick occupancy. Lots of kitchen cabinets too. There's a mudroom entry when you come in the side door. There's also a front door. A lot of the windows are the newer, modern vinyl ones. There's a few of the older ones in this first floor bedroom. Do you need a first floor bedroom and bath? This home has it. Lots of plug-ins in this room and a closet. It needs work, but it's got a lot that's been done to it. What I like about it is the location, the vinyl siding, the metal roof. You have some modern floors, you have an updated laundry room, your kitchen has had work done to it. Low ceilings upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms that are like 6-foot ceilings. but it makes it easier to heat too. This is low cost enough to be a vacation home. It has a quick occupancy. We also got the plumber, caught him in the act, putting in the new laundry room and hooking up some plumbing in the kitchen. See the nice stainless steel sink? This is what I meant. We caught the plumber in action. Lots of cabinets, wooden ceiling. This one has a quick occupancy if you're looking for a low-cost home in Maine. Off the kitchen, on the way to the full bath, we have a hall room and the laundry room. More Luan. See the hookups for the hot water, cold water? Here's your bathroom. The pipes have been drained. Got a tub and shower. Full bath with a tub and a shower. The front living room, rug floor, fan light, whole bunch of windows. There's some vinyl flooring they're going to leave for you in case you want to get rid of the rug. Lots of people do. This is a nice, bright, sunny living room. This is the second floor. Your third bedroom, kind of a connecting two-bedroom suite upstairs. So potential for 3 bedrooms, 1 down, 2 up. This is a real perk, being near the ball field. This is 16 School Street, Sherman, low-cost home in Maine. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morse. That's your home at 16 School Street in Sherman. Questions? Fire away. Look down below for our phone number, our email, more information about the area, how to get a local bank loan, and the real estate that's for sale in this video. That's highlighted with a lot more down below. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel.